What's up, guys? We are back again to do a product review. I know we haven't done one in a while, so I grabbed one of my favorite ones that we have here on the shelf. So let's go ahead and see what it is. Check out this lovely product. This is a all-around surface cleaner from Chemi. It's a great product to use on textiles, plastics, metals, wheels, a whole bunch of different products. It's kind of like a streak-free all-around cleaner. So we're going to do a quick wipe on the wheels, and then we're going to do some plastics to show you how well it works. And one of my favorite things about it is it works really well on gloss black wheels. I know those can be kind of a pain to clean and get them streak-free, but this product is streak-free on wheels. So let's go ahead and wipe this wheel off. All right, so for demonstration purposes, these wheels are actually already coated and wiped, so they are pretty much spotless. There's no streaks or anything on them, so we're not gonna wipe those because those are curing. But we do have another set of wheels over here that are a little bit more dustier than these. They're still kind of like a glossy satin finish to them. So we'll do a quick wipe on those and show you how well the product works. All right, so as you can see, this wheel came off of a Escalade V, so it does have a little bit of dust on it because we didn't clean them. We just swapped them for other wheels. So I'm just gonna spray a couple of these spokes here and we're gonna wipe them. And we'll see how easily the dust and the brake dust gets removed, and we'll see it's a streak-free finish. And then we'll show you how well it works on plastics as well. So let's just give her a quick mist here on those few spokes. Come in here with our good old microfiber towel. So you get a little bit of dirt on there. We'll flip it over. Get this side. Just gonna do one extra wipe to remove any extra product. And that way we can reveal that streak-free finish. As John and I are filming this video, we just realized these center caps are gloss black. So let's do a little demonstration on that. We'll spray. Take another side of the towel, give it a quick little wipe, flip the old towel over, just remove any excess product. Of course, we're gonna leave some little fibers behind from this towel, but what else is new? And boom, look at that reflection. All right, so let's go ahead and do this interior. As you can see, it's very clean. It might be ceramic coated. I'm just lying. It's not ceramic coated, the vehicle's brand new. But you can see from getting in and out of the car, this door sill area, or kick plate, has some dust and dirt on it. So let's use our all-around surface cleaner and clean that up. Let's just do a little mist there. And again, this product is safe on plastics. Just give her a quick wipe over. Good as new. You know, when we do our wheels, we tend to lean them up against something, so the cabinet here, it definitely gets some dirt and things like that on it, so I'd say, and a little bit of tire shine. Oh, it's very dusty. Oh, yeah, that's some dust, dirt, and grime right there. So let's give these a little spray and a quick wipe. Let's clean our lovely cabinets off here. Oh, all-around surface cleaner. You can put that on anything. Look at that, a little bit of agitation. Bam, brand new toolbox. All right, and for our final test, we're gonna find a dirty license plate in the parking lot to wipe it off with. So let's see what we can find. All right, so we found a victim here of a dirty license plate, so we're going to, I should correct myself, it's a license plate cover. But we're gonna clean it anyways, because it's still plastic. Give her a quick wipe here first. Let's look how dirty it is. You can basically make like a smiley face out of the dirt. Man, can see again. All right, so we found two more items. We're gonna clean a little section on the back of the trailer as well as the license plate, because it's actually metal. Let's give it a whirl. I got you covered, don't you worry. Clean me, be gone. All right, and that's gonna be a wrap up here with the Chemi all-around surface cleaner. As you can see, we use it on a variety of different surfaces. It does a really good job at cleaning those surfaces as well as allowing for that streak-free finish. Give this product a try and let us know what you think about it. We like it, but let's see if you guys like it as well. Bam, brand new, fresh from Lowe's.